Hello and everyone guys, so first of all I would say welcome to all of you guys who all are supporting me on YouTube. And if you guys don't know anything about me, so I wanna explain about me. So my name is NAKUL Kumar and I teach you English while learning. By the way, I am not a teacher, I just teach you English just to fulfill my dream of learning English or speaking English, right? So that is why I would say please don't judge if I make mistake during this conversation. My main motive is to improve my English, improve my fluency. So that is why, because of not having any environment, I choose the path to speaking, right? So move this thing aside from a while. So here I wanna say one thing, guys. I have 3 ropes and now it's time to, actually these are some kettles near me or next to me, right? And now I have come here to tie them outside from my house, right? And now you might be wondering, Nakul, what you are gonna especially showing to us. So here I would say, even I don't know what will I gonna show you in this vlog, but yes, whatever I will come across, but I will show you and you will get to learn lots of English sentences, right? But guys, here I want to say one more thing, that you, most of the person of you love to ask in my comment that, Nakul, why are you not able to consistent on YouTube? So here I would say, guys, just now there were some people who were means, if I try to speak something in English, they were judge me, they were try to demotivate me. So that is why I am not able to consistent on my YouTube channel, right? So this is the biggest problem. So now as you can see, I am here, actually here is no one, so that is why I am able to speak, as you can see. But otherwise in my home, if I see nobody is around me, then I speak, and otherwise I stop camera. So that is why it is very hard to vlog regular, or I would say it is very hard to manage consistent in my village, because of my village students or because of my village person. And by the way, if somebody watching me while speaking or like this, if I hold this camera and people consider like what they are talking in front of the camera alone. So that is why I avoid this thing, and I try to, and that is why I prefer to make in a sunsan place or in a peaceful place. But yeah, who all of my friend, you, if you are want regular vlog, so yes, I will try as much as I can, right? So now it's time to tie them, as you can see right now. And after tying, let's see what happen and what will I have to do, or what will I gonna show you, right? So finally it's done to tie my kettles, and now here, actually here right now in my ground, and here the especially one thing here I would say, the place where I am right now, where it's well internet connection here rather than at my home. So that is why, let's see if I get anybody to talk in Skype. So let's have a conversation with. Actually I didn't get anyone to connect with on Skype, so that is why it's okay. And in the evening time at 3 or 4 o'clock, I will again try. If I get anyone to talk, then I will have a conversation with. But otherwise yesterday, and as well as I am going to make this session or make this blog, and no matter if I could a session or, by the way, I am making this blog today, right? Now as you can see, there is sand, S-A-N-D, there is sand, right? And I am walking on this sand. Actually, as you can see, there is a guy who has lots of cattle. Now I want to show you, as you can see, the place where I live at. Here is a beautiful plant, as you can see. This is called corn, and this is a street, and this is another corn. This is a tiny plant. After a couple of days, this corn will be this like, right? And now as you can see, there is no one, so that is where now it's time to shadow. Means whatever I am seeing, whatever I get to watch, I can make a sentence like. Actually it's a empty road, and now that is why I am speaking a bit loud. But otherwise, if there is a person in the road, then I am speechless in front of them, right? I am going to show you a banana plant. It's plants, and as you can, as well as it has a banana. And this is another crop that is called pineapple, Pineapple, as you can see. And I am going to zoom it out. And this is a net. Do you guys know why it is here? It is here because of not enter any cattle. And this is my corn. As you can see, right now I have come here to work in this crop. And this is called tap. There is another guy, and both are going to watering the corn on his field. And here is a lots of cattle. As you can see, this is a calf. This is a calf. It's cow. This is called, and this is called. Now I am going to play a game. If you guys have seen my previous video, you guys know that what this is called. This is called a buffalo, and this is a female calf, and this is called manure. And there is a guy who is working on his farm. Actually, that is not his own farm. He is working as a worker on another place, right? Another farm. And again, there are some people. Actually, there are two people and some cattle along with coming in front of me, and they will not gonna judge me. Both are very different from others, right? So as you can see, this net here is to protect from the cattle, right? And it's as you can see, and its cornfield there are lots of unnecessary plants, as you can see. By the way, yesterday in this crop given essence to kill unnecessary plants. And as you can see, there is a different thing, and these things, actually even I don't know what this is called in English, but it's things they give to touch wood. They give them to touch wood. And there is a guy who is coming in front of me by riding a cycle, right? And he is crossing. And now here these are lots of people, so that is why I am not gonna speak, just showing. As you can see, there is a lots of people. There are a bunch of people in front of me. And now you might be wondering, Nakul, so why there is lots of people here? So here I would say, here is a pandit, and people comes to remove their problems. Like if you have child and your child you have lost, then he can get them, right? And not just this thing, there are lots of problems people have, and the problem solution he has. So that is why they are here. Hey guys, now I have come out from my house, and now as you can see on my shoulder, this is a spade on my shoulder, and now I am going to work on my corn farm, right? So first here I want to say one thing, guys. I get divorced. I get frustrated because this is mine, right? This is my spade, and it is too short. It is too short means it's not workable. I need workable. So that is why it's not good for me to work, right? Because I am too long. So that is why I need a long bamboo spade, and as well as it's too short, as you can see. So that is why it's not workable for me. I look up to my nearby uncle's house, but I didn't get. So that is why at the end I get my own spade, and now I am going to work with it, right? So hey guys, so finally I have come here to my corn crop. As you can see, actually yesterday I have given essence. There are 3 or 5 6 types of essence, that means SAR. I have given, as you can see. Now I am going to show you, right? As you can see, yesterday I have given this essence, and it has actually boil. As you can see, it has boiled a little bit, but still it's visible, right? Essence. And now I am going to cover this essence with this soil with the help of this spade, right? It's like, do you guys know why I am not able to consistent on my YouTube channel? Yes, because of this kind of work. As you can see, just after finishing my previous work, and this is and this is my next work that is already in the queue to do. So that is why now I am going to take this cow to the river to tie them, and after that then I have to go to get some coriander to sell. P.M. Actually at 3 p.m. my father will go to sell vegetables in chok. So that is why before he go I have to get some coriander to take them. And now you can imagine being a farmer son what all I have to do. So hello everyone, so here I wanna say one thing. Now I had a session with Mukesh Paswan. There is a Twitter, I had a session on Skype, and she says, and after hearing those words I feel so motivated. And he was saying that I have seen your videos and you speak so well. So this kind of compliment if somebody asks to me, so I feel so happy. So by the way, here I wanna say one thing, guys. If you also want to have a conversation with me, please leave a comment below. Actually I didn't want to have a conversation, but I see, yeah, there is a background, it's too good internet connection. So that is why I decide no, it would be better if I had a session. So that is why I done it. And now it's time to go home. Okay, so now I am going to end this vlog here, because now it's time to take a bath, and as well as it's time to get my haircut. One day or the next day I will have to go to get my haircut by the shopkeeper, or I can say barber shop. Bye.